I have found a solution to your problem. Well, to one of my problems too. Who say you cannot make a smoothie while riding down, up 75? We're headed from Atlanta, going to Michigan to spend the Thanksgiving weekend with my honey's family. And we stopped by at a hotel the night before. This is what I grabbed for breakfast, and I am going to turn it into a smoothie, you all. It is a parfait, so we have Greek yogurt, there's some honey at the bottom, some strawberries, blueberries, and granola. And I feel for a smoothie, and that's what we're going to have. I am literally going to toss all these ingredients into my blender and put a little bit of water on it and blend it up while we drive up 75 north, going about 80 miles an hour on the interstate, you all. So when we at times make up these excuses that it is hard to eat decent while on the road, I do agree. I get it. It is hard to eat good. It's hard to probably eat great, but it's not that hard to eat decent, you all. It's all about the choices that we make. So while this is not my typical breakfast, or it's not my typical smoothie, it will do. It's actually a good alternative to, all my fresh fruits and veggies and seeds and nuts. So we're going to just blend it up with some water and make a smoothie. Well, as you can see, we are driving up I-75, you all. But I always have my baby with me. This is my turmeric, beetroot, black pepper, and ginger mix. Always have it with me. We are actually going to Jamaica for Christmas, and this will be in the bag because I will be using it to make my smoothies while we are on vacation. It is in powdered form, you all. And because it is in powdered form, it is a little bit more diverse, right? Turmeric is fat soluble, so it's going to be absolutely amazing in my smoothie. The fat that I'm going to get from my yogurt is going to aid even more in its absorption, you all. The link is in the description below. You can get yours. It is available on Amazon. Only 4 ingredients: turmeric, beetroot, black pepper, and ginger, you guys. Only 4 ingredients. Getting my protein from the yogurt and some healthy fats from the yogurt. It's going to help to keep me fuller for longer. And I'm only going to add some water to this just to help it to blend up a little bit better, you all. That's what I feel for. That's what we're having for breakfast. And we are about to blend this baby up, you guys. And again, stop making up excuses. Try to be creative. And I found if you guys would like me to do a separate video on this blender, just leave me a comment. Leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll be happy to make a separate video on this blender. As you can see, I am trying to figure it out myself, you guys. I literally just took it out of the box, didn't RTFM. I didn't read that in manual. So I'm trying to figure it out, you all. But I know it is charged, that I do know. And what I do know is that if there's, if it's not tight enough, it won't blend. If there's something blocking the blades, it probably won't blend either. I put the granola in first, so that's probably at the bottom. So maybe I should just shake it up a little bit and move the granola around. I'm guessing it's probably blocking the blades at the bottom. But if you guys would like to see me do a separate video on this baby, it's quite convenient. You can take it with you, when you fly. Take it with you when you drive. I'm going to start using this to make my smoothies in the car in the mornings on days that I'm, trying to rush out. But I'm not sure what's going on with it. But we're going to figure this out because your girl going to have a smoothie today. I am sure I just didn't read it properly. Yes, I'm reading it now, and I was right. It is the granola was blocking the blade, so that's preventing it from blending. So all I'll need to do is just shake it up, move it around a little bit, press that button once, and once it turn solid purple, then I can then it will start blending, and that's what it is. I didn't read the manual. I hate reading manuals. I usually just pull stuff out of the box and get it going. So yeah, there we go. All I had to do is just move it around a little bit, make sure nothing is blocking the blades, make sure the base of it is screwed on properly. But I will read up on this a little bit more, tell you guys where I got it from. I'm going to try to see if I can get a link to it, and you all let me know in the comments below if you would like me to rate this, do a review on it, and let you guys know how it is working out for me. But check this baby out, you all. That's what we're having for breakfast this morning, you guys. Look at how beautiful this looks. And usually if I'm making a smoothie and I'm adding yogurt in it, usually I wouldn't add honey, but that's what they had in the hotel, and it was the one of the better options for breakfast. I'm not really a big breakfast person, but as you can see, this baby is blending out nice and smooth. It is pretty lightweight, but we'll do a whole separate video on that. I just wanted to kind of make a point that sometimes when we're traveling, we're on the road, we make up excuses that it's hard to eat decent, and it's just all about the life choices that we make, you all. So gonna give it a little taste test. Yeah, buddy. It actually tastes like ice cream to me, because usually I'm not adding any sweeteners. My honey's gonna give it a try. He's already had breakfast. He had a sandwich for breakfast, but I fell for a smoothie. So he likes it, but I absolutely love the flavor of it. It's just a little bit too sweet for my liking. With the honey in it. As again, I really don't add sweeteners to most things that I eat or drink, but this is a good alternative to my regular smoothies while I'm on the road, and it's going to help to kind of keep me satisfied for a few hours. It's about 10 a.m. in the morning. It is Thanksgiving Day. We probably won't have dinner until 1. I think we're expected to get there at around 1 o'clock. So yeah, it is what I'm having for breakfast, you guys. If you would like me to do a review on this NutriBullet personal blender, leave me a comment and let me know. We are headed north to Michigan. It's gonna be cold, but I get to be with my honey's family for Thanksgiving. Then we are headed to Jamaica to be with my family for Christmas. And as we ride down the highway, it's just a great option, a great alternative that I have here to make a smoothie, you all. If you're not following me, you guys, go ahead, subscribe, follow, like, and share. Leave me a comment if you have one of these Ninja blenders at home. Leave me a comment if you would like me to do a review on this baby. And follow, like, share, and subscribe. But until next time, you all, get your ass up and move. Go make you a healthy smoothie and stop making up excuses as to why you can't make a healthy smoothie. Bye.